Thank you. So it's interesting the word deadpan came up a couple times, right? Did I ever say be deadpan?
No.
That wasn't part of the assignment, but that's how it feels to some people. Okay? So this is a very, I think, very instructive exercise, because I'm not saying it's to go out and do that, because that's just not socially appropriate. But it's very good to bring up our awareness of the pleaser part in me, how I'm not fully listening because I'm so busy with my response, how I'm trying to make you feel better instead of really receiving you. This is a really important sexual skill, because people are often making love and are not present because they're so busy making sure their partner knows they like it. Okay? Now sometimes, I'm not saying you don't ever, sometimes you want to make sure your partner knows you like it, but are you trapped in that? Are you able to be fully present with another person without this social prescription? It's hard. So I'm not saying we go out and do it, but it will really help us to be in the present moment and notice, can I just receive without having to please them or make sure they're okay or take care of them? Maybe I want to do that. This is about freedom, but do I have conscious awareness about that? Am I trapped in it when I'm with another person? When I'm trying to be intimate with another person, which is what we're basically trying to do in Tantra, we're trying to be intimate with people, even with strangers. Just have a heart connection. But what's getting in our way a lot of times of having this heart connection is I'm so busy trying to let you know that I like you, or that I think what you said is good, or whatever. Sometimes that's fine. I'm not doing an either or thing. I'm saying it's so interesting to raise our awareness of what's getting in my way of receiving you. My mind's telling me that you're feeling insecure right now, so I want to do this to make sure you feel okay about yourself, and I'm not actually with you. Is that making sense? Okay. What's that?
About balance.
To balance. To have a little more awareness of how I'm not in this moment with you, I'm performing. So a lot of sex gets into I'm performing for you, which can be fun. But we get trapped in it that it's all a performance. It's not actually meeting each other. It's not actually just being in each other's presence with intimacy. We're performing. I'm telling you you're great, and I'm doing these things, and so on. Which, again, that kind of sex can be fun, but in Tantra we're going for, let's be in this perfect present moment together. Let's see if we can tolerate being in our bodies in this present moment together. Everything we're doing here in this workshop, we're doing in sex also. Sort of. Energetically. Can I meet you just as you are, just be with you, without having all these social prescriptions of nodding and doing this other thing and checking you out, and just be in my body and hang out with you and just enjoy you. It's hard. It's a spiritual path that some people come back because it's a spiritual path that makes sense to them and enriches their dating. Some people, it's not their thing. That's fine. Tantra's always been for a few people.